Today is a beautiful day. It is sunny. Let's take a walk in the mountains. I can find many stones by the river. Look closely. I can see something special. Can you see it? It's a fossil. I see tadpoles and small fish swimming in the water. Watch out! Don't worry, it's not a venomous viper. It's a gentle baby rat snake slithering across the mossy stone. Everywhere, I can hear the sound of cicadas. As I go deeper into the mountains, the water becomes so clear. It is blue like the sky. I enjoy the sound of rushing water. Away from the river, I enjoy the quiet forest. The trees are very tall. I hear the birds singing. The rays of sunlight through the branches are mysterious. I see a tiny ant climbing on a white mushroom. It is very humid here in the deep forest. There is mist floating above the river. I stop and enjoy a small babbling brook. The water is gentle and cold. I can see many fallen branches. A green mantis is also resting here. I found a brown baby river crab hiding in the green moss. It's so small. Finally, I arrived at a big waterfall. Look carefully. You can see a rainbow. Let's take a break and enjoy the scenery. Thanks for watching. See ya.